Hello friends, welcome back to Life with Sheila. I'm glad that you are here today. Today we're going to make chicken fiesta taco soup and jalapeno cheddar cornbread. Yum. It was so cold yesterday that having this ready and prepped and pretty much all the work done for me by the time I got home, except for the cornbread, made dinner time so easy, but it was so good, so good. So let's hop into this and make it together. You're gonna need about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. I honestly would prefer chicken thighs, but chicken breast are what I had on hand. You're gonna need 1 block of cream cheese, 2 cans of black beans or any beans of your choice, 1 can of diced green chilies. I prefer the fire roasted, and 2 cans of tomatoes and chilies. Rotel basically, but I really like the Hatch brand. Also, you're going to want 2 packets of a taco seasoning or your own taco seasoning mix if you prefer, and 1 package of ranch seasoning mix. Dump it all in, turn the crock pot on low, let it cook all day.
Blue sky, take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose after years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need. Feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I'll give anything to say hello. Come on over here, lower them stairs. Got all the tools after years with the blues.
Also, I added about 1.5 cups of chicken broth, and when I got home from work, I added in a bag of frozen corn.
To bring me up to full speed. Shades of blue, feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I give anything to say hello. To indigo, to say hello. Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond a bigger scale the world inhales as we go.